Marina Protocol just launched on December 22, 2023, and with their app, you can claim pSURF and pBAY every day. In this video, I'll be showing you how to claim pSURF and pBAY on the Marina Protocol Airdrop. Marina Protocol is a global Web3 tutorial platform built on the Binance Smart Chain. On the platform, users can learn about Web3 and earn SURF and pBAY. So the first thing to do to join the Marina Protocol Airdrop is to download the Marina Protocol app using the link in the description. Once you download the app, sign up and claim 25% perpetual boost using my nickname cryptobunkie. You'll find my nickname in the description to use to get your boost. And once you do that, to start mining pSURF, tap on the SURF icon at the bottom of the app here and tap on claim. If you want to boost your mining speed by 2 times, tap on the add to claim, but right now there are no ads to claim on this protocol, so you can just click on the claim button and your surfing session has started. When you're surfing, you would see this icon here with the little surfing animation, and you can tap on it to see how many hours you have left. Each mining session lasts 24 hours, so always check your notifications to restart your mining session when it ends. So pSURF and pBAY can be converted to SURF and pBAY tokens at the token generation event. That's when the token launches on the Binance Smart Chain. The SURF token is the Marina Protocol's utility token, while the pBAY token is the Marina Protocol's governance token. So guys, dive into Marina and claim as much pSURF as you can while it's still early. That's it about the Marina Protocol Airdrop for now. It's a fairly new project, so if there are any updates, I'll let you know. If this video has helped you, like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have any issues, ask for help in my Telegram group. The link to the group is in the description. Join my Telegram channel for more Marina Protocol updates, crypto airdrops, tips, tutorials, alphas, and earning opportunities. Stay safe, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.